Welcome back to Byte, Business Intelligence for Trade Enforcement. In this video, we will delve deeper into the Byte platform, focusing on screening, analytics, workflow, and resources. Starting off with the screening overview, Byte offers several subsections in the screening module to assist you in managing trade risks effectively. Here's a brief overview of the available subsections. People and companies. Quick searches and filters against thousands of entities across hundreds of multinational watch lists, as well as second and third tier entities and transshipment entities. Products. Search and review commodities as well as map them to HS codes as well as potential regimes and controls. Cyber. Access embargoed IP addresses and explore known exploited vulnerabilities. Bulk. Screen a list of multiple entities or commodities at one time by uploading a CSV to run against all the data in the platform. Now that you know about screening, let's navigate to the analytics section. Here, you have available Byte GPT, where you can ask OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo your compliance questions and receive fast and accurate answers. The Byte Viz module allows you to create basic visuals based on the data available in the screening section. Moving on, we have the workflow section with the Byte Vault. This allows you to maintain a paperless audit trail and track your risk reports and investigative analysis, as well as Byte U, where you can access resources and materials for learning and training purposes. Looking into datasets, here you can explore all of the datasets in the platform that fuel the screening module, broken up into key modules like the watch list, byte list, trade protection, and cyber protection. You can explore the data in depth. Last, the Help Center. Here you can contact us for questions, view frequently asked questions, or watch training videos on the app's modules. With this overview, you're well equipped to navigate and utilize Byte. Thank you for choosing Byte. We're here to help you mitigate trade risks and help make informed decisions.